Welcome to Fluentors. This is day 4 of our 5-minute English shadowing practice. Today's focus is talking about yourself, your habits, thoughts, experiences, and feelings. This is one of the most important skills for real conversations. How shadowing works: listen and speak together with the voice. Each sentence is read twice. First at natural speed, second slightly slower for shadowing. Then pause and repeat by yourself. Relax, don't overthink, and enjoy speaking. Let's begin. 1. I usually start my day early. I usually start my day early. I'm working on improving my English every day. I'm working on improving my English every day. I try to stay positive even on busy days. I try to stay positive even on busy days. I spend most of my time working or learning. I spend most of my time working or learning. I enjoy having a quiet morning routine. I enjoy having a quiet morning routine.
I feel more focused in the morning. I feel more focused in the morning. I usually take short breaks during the day. I usually take short breaks during the day. I like to keep my schedule simple. I like to keep my schedule simple. I'm trying to build better habits. I'm trying to build better habits. I feel satisfied when I finish my tasks. I feel satisfied when I finish my tasks.
I'm learning how to manage my time better. I'm learning how to manage my time better. I sometimes feel tired, but I keep going. I sometimes feel tired, but I keep going. I prefer working at my own pace. I prefer working at my own pace. I feel more confident than I did before. I feel more confident than I did before. I'm focused on improving myself step by step. I'm focused on improving myself step by step. 16. I try to learn something new every day. I try to learn something new every day. 17. I've started paying more attention to my habits. I've started paying more attention to my habits. 18. I feel proud when I make small progress. I feel proud when I make small progress. 19. I'm becoming more comfortable speaking English. I'm becoming more comfortable speaking English. 20. I remind myself to stay patient. I remind myself to stay patient. 21. I'm working on expressing my thoughts clearly. I'm working on expressing my thoughts clearly. 22. I feel motivated when I practice regularly. I feel motivated when I practice regularly. 23. I'm learning to speak without overthinking. I'm learning to speak without overthinking. 24. I try not to be too hard on myself. I try not to be too hard on myself. 25. I believe consistency is more important than speed. I believe consistency is more important than speed. 26. I've noticed improvement since I started practicing daily. I've noticed improvement since I started practicing daily. 27. I'm building confidence every time I speak. I'm building confidence every time I speak. 28. I feel more comfortable sharing my ideas now. I feel more comfortable sharing my ideas now. 29. I'm committed to improving my English speaking skills. I'm committed to improving my English speaking skills. 30. I know I'll get better with daily practice. I know I'll get better with daily practice. Well done. Talking about yourself clearly is a powerful step toward real conversations. Shadowing helps you speak naturally and confidently. Practice this lesson daily. Subscribe to Fluentors and continue with Day 5. I'll see you in the next session.